This object was never meant to be here. This is an exceptionally rare moment in space exploration. For the first time, scientists are able to closely observe an interstellar comet, a visitor that was born far beyond our solar system. From the very instant it was discovered, NASA scientists recognized how extraordinary this opportunity truly is. Comets are often described as frozen time capsules, ancient cosmic snowballs, and by studying them, we can uncover the environments where they formed, the chemistry they carry, and the distant regions of space they come from. This object did not originate here. It comes from a completely different stellar neighborhood. Almost immediately, scientists began noticing clear differences between this comet and the comets native to our solar system. The discovery was made by the NASA-funded ATLAS survey telescope, which is part of NASA's planetary defense network. These telescopes constantly scan the sky to protect Earth from potential threats. And in the process of keeping our planet safe, they occasionally uncover discoveries of enormous scientific value like this one. After careful analysis, NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office confirmed that 3I Atlas poses absolutely no danger to Earth. In fact, the comet remains more than twice the distance between Earth and the Sun. On October 30th, it reached its closest approach to the Sun, passing just inside the orbit of Mars. That moment allowed the closest physical observations of the comet, captured by instruments positioned nearer to Mars than to Earth. At the same time, Earth was located on the opposite side of the Sun, nearly as far away from Mars as our planet can be. From the very beginning, scientists knew the comet would travel along the far side of the Sun relative to Earth, making ground-based observations extremely challenging. For much of its journey, the Sun itself blocked our direct view. That's where NASA's vast fleet of spacecraft made all the difference. Spread across the solar system, NASA's scientific missions were perfectly positioned for this rare event. And they were ready. Together, these spacecraft gave scientists an unprecedented ability to observe 3I Atlas almost continuously as it passed through our cosmic neighborhood. NASA science operates as a connected system. Nearly 20 mission teams, and still growing, collaborated to meet this challenge. Every discovery we're making is possible because each spacecraft carries instruments with unique capabilities. In some cases, scientists even pushed these instruments beyond their original design limits, stretching them past their intended roles, just to capture this fleeting interstellar traveler. In simple terms, this comet could be studied in such detail because NASA was observing it from many locations, at many wavelengths, using many different tools. Each observation adds a new layer of understanding, like viewing the same object through multiple lenses. For the first time in history, scientists were able to track an interstellar object through nearly its entire passage across our solar system. And the story isn't over yet. NASA continues to monitor the comet as it moves farther away. Additional observations are expected as it continues its journey, eventually crossing near Jupiter's orbit in the spring of 2026. Data has already been gathered by an incredible list of missions including Hubble, the James Webb Space Telescope, TESS, SWIFT, SPHEREx, the Perseverance rover on Mars, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MAVEN, Europa Clipper, Lucy, Psyche, and one personal favorite, the Parker Solar Probe. Data from the Parker Solar Probe was downloaded just yesterday, and within it, scientists captured several breathtaking glimpses of this remarkable visitor from another star system, a silent traveler that crossed unimaginable distances, just long enough for humanity to notice.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.